Good morning. I stayed at Cosby shelter last night. I didn't stay like in the shelter area. There was like there were some tent sites kind of a little before Cosby shelter, and they were nice. I slept pretty well, even though my pad does not hold air anymore. I think it's the nozzle. It's a Thermarest Uberlight, and it's got that new like twist valve thing. But even when you blow it up and you tighten the valve, there's still air coming out of it. So I may try and send that in. But even then, I don't know how fast I could get a new pad. So I think I might just buy a new pad whenever I'm in Hot Springs. But yeah, I slept surprisingly well on the ground. Which I do have that 1/8 inch foam pad that's underneath it, so that helped out a little bit. But you definitely do feel the cold of the ground. It's significantly colder when you're sleeping without that air in that pad. But yeah, my plans today. In 10 miles, we will be at Standing Bear Farms, which is it's also a hostel. I don't know if I'm going to stay there or not. There is a shelter like 5 miles past that I was, if I don't stay there, that's the one I'm going to push to, because I would like to charge up my stuff. Hopefully they have power to charge. I know Standing Bear is kind of old school type of place. But yeah, and we're leaving the Smokies today. So I think maybe in like 9 miles we'll be leaving the Smokies, and then it's like another mile or so you're at Standing Bear Farms. It's something like that. But yeah, we woke up to another cold, wet morning. It was actually raining. I had to pack up in the rain. And yeah, there's still a chance of rain until I want to say noon or 1. So it'll probably still be raining when we leave this place. But at least the Smokies gave us one good day while we were here. So 4 out of 5 days was raining. But that was a good day though. That was yesterday. Man, and 20-mile day at that. That was cool. Yeah, so that's the plans for the day. Leaving the Smokies, going to Standing Bear, either staying there or getting a resupply no matter what at Standing Bear. And then either staying there or pushing another 5 miles to a shelter. That's what I got. Let's get out of the Smokies. What's up, guys? This right here, right there, this is the fork in the trail where you could go to the Mount Cameron like overlook tower. It's 0.6 to get there, so that'd be 1.2 to get back to where I am right now. And as you can tell, it's really foggy, so it's you're probably not going to get a view at all. I mean, I do really want to go, but I'm going to pass it up. I'm going to head down the mountain and get to Standing Bear. What's up, guys? This spot right here is kind of like a mini Charlie's Bunyan whenever you can get a view. I've never seen one personally because it was just like this when I came through here the last time, but I've seen pictures. But yeah, it's pretty cool. Just like a big old rock you can go stand on. I'm not gonna do it, but I would if there was a view. But yeah, it's like a mini Charlie's Bunyan. You can kind of see, you can see a pretty big view. But all right, still pushing to, we're getting pretty close to Davenport Gap shelter. But yeah, and then right after that, it's just a couple miles and we should be at Standing Bear. Well, Smoky Mountains, I wouldn't quite say it was fun. You did give me one out of 5 days was great, man. But yeah, I mean, you probably gave me some of my best hiking experiences and probably my worst. But I am glad to be walking out of the Smoky Mountains. And really, those bad days, I'm still grateful for it, you know, because it's just making me stronger so that I can handle, you know, worse conditions in the future. So, Smoky Mountains, I appreciate that. All right, I've officially left the Great Smoky Mountains National Park. Let's get to Standing Bear. What's up, guys? Well, I finally left Standing Bear. Man, that place is a vortex. But I was able to charge my, well, one battery bank completely full and the other one's like probably 89%, 90%, but I plan on being in Hot Springs in, you know, two and a half days, whatever. But yeah, that place is pretty cool. I took a lot of footage of it, so maybe I can put something together that shows it off. Who knows? But yeah, I'm hiking out with a group of people I've been camping with all throughout the Smokies. So, but yeah, we pushed out. We're not gonna stay at Standing Bear. We just left that place, and we're gonna look for a campsite up here. I think a couple of these water sources say that there's tenting near them, so we're gonna take a look at that. But if there's nothing there, we'll just push on to the next shelter, which I think was like, I don't know, 6 miles, 7 miles away from Standing Bear. I don't know, we'll see. But that's the plan for now. I will talk to you guys later. What's up, guys? Hey, it's the next morning. I forgot to close out the video from yesterday, the leaving the Smoky Mountains and seeing Standing Bear. But I just wanted to say, well, I ended up camping at the Painter Branch. It's a water source, but there's a campsite here, so it's just like 2 miles past Standing Bear. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys today, but in the next video.